Hey everybody, this is Oscar, and check what I got. I got the new GoPro 10 Hero, or whatever it's called. So I went ahead and, the box is pretty empty. All we get is this. It comes in a plastic bag. There you go. And let's see what we got. So, pretty cool packaging, GoPro 10. Picture of the GoPro, uploads automatically to the cloud, 23 megapixel camera, records up to 5.3K 60 frames per second, or 4K at 120 frames per second, which I think is better than the iPhone I'm using to record this video. You can go up to 33 feet underwater, GP2 processor, cool features, whatever, same thing we read, voice control, 8x slow-mo, don't know what that is, I'm guessing like a time-lapse kind of thing. Mod ready, webcam mode, so you can use this on your computer as a webcam. Pretty sweet. I guess the best thing to do is let's just see what's in here. Oops, I think, oh yeah, I almost threw that away. So I got this little bundle thing, so it came with like an extra 32 gig extreme, and I think you need these kind of flash SD cards so that you can actually like record in 4K, or in this case 5. I didn't even know you could do cameras like that. So let's see what we got in here, okay? So I guess this pouch right here should include what do you call it? I forgot, but a little magnetic mount and an extra battery. So tripod, there we go. So I love this little case. Very hard all the way around. Nice and easy. Let's check it out. So it shows, your camera must be updated before you can use it, which hopefully they have an update for. I think they're having overheating issues if you use like 30 minutes worth of recording. So we'll try to update that. So GoPro quick on your phone, make sure you have internet access, turn on your phone, blah, blah, blah. So we'll do that right now. I guess this is pretty cool packaging right here. It comes with instructions. You guys don't really need to see that. Okay, don't need to see that. Like that little sticky mount, whatever. You guys don't need it. You guys don't care about this stuff, right? Stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? And I guess what you guys been waiting for. Check this out. So here's our little clip. Let's check it out. GoPro branded. I'm guessing you slip this on. This is like my first real GoPro I've ever received, so we'll figure this out later. But you get the little clip, you get this little adjustment, which I'm thinking connects to the GoPro. You got a battery here, another battery, small batteries, charger, USB-C, because I love that. Let's see, I'm guessing these to adjust the tripod. Let's see, this is a bigger tripod. Another clip. I think this one's to actually stick it on something. This is to go in there. And the cool thing is, I don't think I have a case for it, for the one I used to use in my car, but it just stuck into the car. But let's see what else we got here. Let's see if we can pull this out. Here it is, right? Let's see what we got in here. So we'll rip this off. A nice matte finish. You can have a screen here. I think your mic, camera. Let's see, power button. I'm guessing this is some sort of cover. Shutters. This is cool because this actually comes out like this. So if you actually use it on here, you can just literally just slide it in and then screw, I think, one of these guys in here, or whatever it goes, that's kind of cool. This looks beautiful. Be sure to try it out. And this is cool because you actually don't have to buy anything else. You just use it. And then, let's see what we got. Got another plastic right here, or a piece of cardboard, I'm guessing. Got another roll of something. I think this is the actual tripod. Yeah, so this is your So yeah, this will be your tripod. I don't know how to open it, but yeah, GoPro. I have a feeling you open it like there you go. And yeah, I don't know if you can get this up or higher, which I'm sure you probably can. Just don't know how. But I'll come back when I actually use it. But yeah, that's a cool quick unboxing of this little device. Definitely love it. Go ahead and get a like and subscribe, and I'll upload a review in like a week or so. Thank you.